Hello and welcome to Tutorial Spine. Today in Instagram marketing, we'll discuss about a key and important topic called how to measure the success of your Instagram marketing. What are the metrics and the measurements in terms of your organic campaign and your paid campaign? Let us look into this. How to measure the success on Instagram? A key element of knowing whether you are achieving your goals and objectives is to measure the success of your Instagram marketing. Organic growth in terms of followers. That is the key and the fundamental point. You set an objectives and goals like I want this many number of followers on this particular day or this particular month or this particular week, and the goals are defined, and you go about executing your campaign in terms of your content, in terms of your calendar, in terms of the number of posts. Are you achieving the number of followers that you have defined in your campaign? That is the key and the crucial aspect of measuring success. Achieving paid advertising objectives. If you are actually going about in doing a paid advertising, a paid campaign on Instagram, what are the goals and the objectives of your paid campaign? Whether you are looking for engagement or the likes or the comments or the followers or the links or clicks, is what is that you are defining, and that need to be identified to measure the success of your paid campaign. Conversions from both the channels. Whether it is organic growth or the paid campaign, you are basically looking for conversions. And how conversions will happen? It starts with a follower. You actually have followers, you are engaging with them, they are clicking on the links, they are potential leads when they click it. And when they come to your website and landing page, if they show interest and get in touch with you, that could be a potential lead. And when that potential lead is converted, he becomes or she becomes a customer. You need to analyze both your channels, the organic and the paid, to measure the success of your Instagram marketing campaign. Some of the organic growth success criteria that we need to know. Followers growth. Again, the key and the important point. Whether the leads or the potential customers or the conversions or the customers, they all come later. But what starts with is the follower, the number of followers you are growing. Consider each follower as a potential lead. And when you grow followers, then there are every likelihood, there are chances that these followers who they following you, they will click on the links on Instagram, they will come to your website. When they come to your website, it is up to the website and the landing page to convert them into potential lead. Growing followers is the key criteria. Audience engagement again is important. What is the point of in having lot many followers when there is no engagement happening with your posts? Extremely important that the engagement happens. When the engagement happens, the clicks happen. When the clicks happen, the lead is generated. When the lead is generated, it is converted into customer. So engagement, audience engagement plays a very crucial role. Increase in comments and likes. Engagement is all about the comments and the likes that are happening on your post. The more the comments, the more the likes, the more the success ratio. Clicks on the links, that is again a very crucial point. There is followers happening, you're growing followers, there is engagement happening, there are comments and the likes, but are there any clicks? That is again a crucial point. It is the clicks that will generate the leads, not the comments and the likes. Traffic, leads and conversions. Extremely important, you have high quality videos and photos. The followers are growing, the engagement is happening, the likes and comments are coming, the clicks happen, a lead is generated, the lead gets interacting with you, then a customer is acquired. This is the process and the flow that you need to measure at every stage. from the followers point of view, from the engagements, from the comments, likes, from the clicks on the Instagram account. And these are some of the metrics that you need to measure individually. Some of the paid advertising success is again what are the points that you need to take into consideration. Defining objectives. What is that you want to achieve from your paid campaign where you are spending money has to be clearly defined. Executing a campaign as the way you have defined is again extremely important to measure the success of your campaign. The CTR plays a very important role that defines how good or a bad or an average is your paid campaign. The click-through rate, the number of clicks happening in terms of the vis-a-vis the impressions, and extremely important and crucial element of paid advertising. Measuring success. Paid campaign is being executed, the clicks are happening or the impressions are happening, the clicks are happening, people are coming to the website or the landing page, they are being converted. That has to be measured at every single stage. And you will be able to know where are the gray areas that you can think of improving, so that improve the success ratio of your paid campaign. The return on investment is what you will be looking at the end of the day. How much money is being paid, how much money is being spent on this campaign, the number of clicks happening, the number of visitors to the website, the visitors turning into leads, leads turning into customers, and they actually get you the money. Return on investment need to be measured clearly, effectively to measure the success of your paid campaign. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video is how to measure success on Instagram through organic growth and success criteria, and of course the paid advertising success. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.